Hello friends, welcome to a new lesson, and today I am going to discuss the negative structure of a past tense. So negative structure always we are using in a refusing. So let's jump into the board and see how I will make a sentence, how I will make a structure. Follow that instructions. Okay. Past tense. Okay. Past tense. So negative. Okay. Negative. So in negative there is the subject plus did plus not and plus verb first form object. Okay, this is the structure. Okay, this is the structure. According to this structure we will frame some sentences. Okay, let's see some sentence. I did not go outside. I did not go outside. I did not play cricket. Okay? I did not eat food. Okay. I did not waste my time. Okay, so these are the sentence. Okay, let's make some more sentence. Okay, he did not drink water. Okay, he did not drink water. He did not read book. Okay, she did not walk. Okay, she did not listen. She did not see you. Okay, so these are the sentence. Let's make more sentences. We did not play in the ground. Okay, we did not write a letter. Okay, they did not follow your instruction. Okay, we did not eat well. So hope guys you understand this structure, and I frame some sentence and you understand very well how to make sentences. So I hope you understand and follow this instruction, follow this structure, so which I apply on the board, and definitely you will speak better English. So thank you so much, and we will meet again in the next video. Follow and subscribe and share with your friends if this is a beneficial video for you and your friends. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you.